When you already live smart, what comes next? For this savvy homeowner, it was time to upgrade security, convenience, and control. Introducing the Smart Door Lock Face Recognition Plus, where cutting-edge access meets seamless design. Take advantage of multiple unlocking methods and face recognition features. Equipped with a multi-lock mechanism for enhanced, uncompromising security. Installed by our trusted locksmith, Malcolm, this upgrade is the definition of a smart choice. Install your own Smart Door Lock Face Recognition Plus. Visit our website and learn more. Shop smart today.